Hi, I'm Allie, and this is my husband Justin. Over the past 6 months, we have taken our van from coast to coast, but haven't really explored our own backyard. In efforts to escape the heat and humidity, we found a nice, cool place to swim. Hit subscribe and stick around to see some of Missouri's most beautiful treasures. Being back in Missouri leaves us feeling just a little cooped up, so we thought it was about time for an adventure. So we're gonna get the van road ready and then head out.
It has been extremely hot here this past week, and we have been dying to find somewhere to go swim. So we're gonna drive a couple hours out of town, and there's a pretty cool swimming spot just outside of St. Louis. So that's where we're headed. Let's hit it.
I'm not usually sweaty, but I think it's gonna get like 100. And if you know Missouri, you know it's extremely humid, so it feels like 130. Just arrived to our location. A little hint, we gotta change into swimsuits, so let's get that done. Alrighty, in our swimsuits and ready to go swimming. It is hot in here, probably over 100. So, what are we waiting for? It's hot.
Let's go. So we decided to come to Johnson Shut-ins. It's in the St. Francis Mountains in Missouri. It's one of 3 state parks in the area. This one I think is the best one for swimming. There's like a river or creek or something, so we're gonna go check that out, take a dip, and cool off.
It is like crazy hot here, so it's the perfect day. And it seems like everyone had the same idea because it's pretty crowded.
Yeah, so let's see how it goes.
So not too far from here is a place called Elephant Rock. It's another state park, and I grew up going there. But little did I know, around the corner is this cool place you can go swimming. And I grew up here. I've never been here. Justin, you have been here, right?
Only once though, like 5 years ago.
Excited to see it. We made it. Your shoes, they're right here.
The water is deepening. I think we're almost at a swimmable level here.
So we made it to the best place to swim because it's just all open water. Woo, so good. Who thinks Justin and I should jump off the cliff? Go underwater if you agree.
Stay above the water if you don't.
I thought that was under.
You're so rude. Getting hungry, so it's dinner time.
Dinner time. Back to the van we go. And we're back. Well, It is quite miserably hot out. Ice cream, babe?
Heck yeah, dude.
Let's roll. Get a breeze going. Dairy Queen?
Dairy Queen.
Wait a second. We're not at Dairy Queen.
Whoops.
We need ice cream. Can't live without it. So we're going back out. We will not be taking good old Coco because she doesn't have air conditioning and we've been in the heat for quite some time. It was about a 2-hour drive there and back, so we will be driving one of my parents' cars. Woo! Air conditioning. It's been alright being home. You know, it's nice seeing family, but I'd say we're both itching to get back onto the road. Would you say yes?
Yeah, today was like a taste of it. That said, honestly, by the end of the day, I was pretty happy to go back to your parents' air-conditioned house, honestly. It was so hot.
We're not sleeping in the house, but we do eat in the house all the time, so.
Sometimes. So we're not going to Dairy Queen, but we are still hunting down some ice cream. Just a more take-home version.
Ooh, do you feel that? It's called air conditioning.
We are back.
And we're showered.
All right. Let's eat some ice cream.
One of the benefits of being here. So, we were sitting here eating our ice cream. Justin's is literally gone at this point and realized we should have put our table down and had ice cream on our table. Do you see this? No legs. These work great. There's really no give. I think we just need to shorten this one a little bit more. But I'm so happy. Oh, you want me to come over to you? Sure, no problem.
And check this out. Oh, that's right, our water tank fix didn't actually work. Turns out there's some extra little tidbits you have to do when screwing into the plastic tank, and so we're gonna play with that a little more. So that one is TBD.
I officially just finished my ice cream. And that means we're going to go ahead and end our video here. So if you liked this video, give it a giant thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Help us grow. And we'll see you next week. Bye. 1, 2. Oh, I don't like counting. We made it to... Did you guys just see that? He just locked me in. Well, what the heck? Oh, it's so hot!